Tragic love life of Shahid Kapoor. Shahid Kapoor always had a very controversial love life because of his link-ups with many Bollywood actresses, but ultimately he did arrange marriage. Let us have a look at the tragic love life of Bollywood actor Shahid Kapoor. Amrita Rao. Amrita was the first co-star of Shahid Kapoor in his debut movie Ishq Vishk, and from the set of the movie, their bond became strong. As per reports, these two stars started dating each other, and because of their amazing chemistry, they got casted in several movies together. They got casted in Suraj R. Barjatia's Vivah together, and people loved them in the movie. There were even news doing rounds then that they will get married in real life too, but unfortunately, issues appeared in their relationship. After the release of Vivah, gradually these two stars drifted apart, and as per reports, Shahid got dumped by Amrita. Kareena Kapoor. Shahid and Kareena's relationship was one of the most talked about relationships of Bollywood, and people love these two star kids together. Kareena and Shahid were always open about their relationship and made many public appearances together, including on Coffee with Karan. There were speculations about their marriage doing rounds back then, and the couple even hinted about their marriage too. But Shahid had hard luck in love and again got cheated by Kareena Kapoor. Bebo had a fling with Saif Ali Khan while shooting for Tashan. After knowing this, Shahid was devastated and decided to end his relationship with Kareena Kapoor, and their breakup broke up multiple hearts. Vidya Balan. After breaking up with Kareena Kapoor, Shahid got attached with another Bollywood actress, Vidya Balan. Their friendship started from the sets of Kismat Connection, and soon the friendship turned into relationship and they started dating. But eventually, the spark in their relationship started to fade soon, and because of some differences, Vidya was losing her interest in the relationship. Later, Vidya dumped Shahid Kapoor and they had a very brief relationship, and Shahid was very much heartbroken after this breakup. Priyanka Chopra. Shahid and Priyanka's relationship was quite a secret matter, and they tried hard to keep their love story a secret, which started during Kamine. During a raid at Priyanka's house, the income tax officers also found Shahid Kapoor in his boxers at her house, and this sparked the rumors. Priyanka and Shahid were head over heels in love with each other, but soon differences between them made their love story a bitter one. As per reports, Shahid came to know from a common friend that Priyanka was having an affair and was cheating on him. Shahid lost his faith in love and confronted Priyanka, and both decided to part their ways, and Shahid decided not to date any actress. Meera Rajput. After his breakup with Priyanka Chopra, Shahid decided that he would never date another actress. At a family gathering, Shahid spotted Meera Rajput and liked her a lot, and when Shahid proposed Meera for marriage, Meera was not ready. Meera was worried about their huge age gap, but later got convinced, and they are now happily married together. What are your thoughts about Shahid Kapoor's unfortunate love life? Let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.